Have you watched that one, guys? I shared
The clip, the video clip.
Yeah. Have you watched it?
I got it once, yeah.
Yes, we are going to study. I will play it first and then we will study the script. Okay, so let me share.
Okay. What are we supposed to do, Annalise?
Then why did Barbara Zane just come out of nowhere and all of a sudden reopen that goddamn case? Alex, relax. He didn't open it up against your client. He opened it up against Harvey's. What are you talking about? I can't tell you everything that's going on, but all you need to do is make sure Masterson Construction stands down. After that, you just sit back and watch this whole thing go away.
So here, because I tried to mark red so easy for you to identify where you're gonna pause, the rising intonation, where is the reduction. So here, recently you didn't watch because I thought I already shared, but here, what the hell? So here, the T is totally silent because followed by another T. So just
what the hell?
Oh, what the hell? I thought
what the hell?
You. It's not you, but it's you. Yeah. Sound. And here, flutter. I thought you were on my side. Okay, flutter sound. I thought you were on my side. I am on your side. Your becomes your. I am on your side. And here, pause the side here. Then why did Robert's angel here? Robert angel. So link this one, okay? Robert's angel came out of nowhere, but just and all, okay? And all of a sudden, reopen that goddamn case, okay? That, but drop the T, that goddamn. And also here and silent in, okay? Goddamn case.
Damn case. Perfect.
Much better now. It's easy for you to understand.